Much, Jesse. We continue our 12 days of Christmas now with a place that puts a smile on faces of young and old alike, and it's where you can create some great holiday memories. Today we're going back to Danke Family Farms.
Hey everyone, today I am here at Danke Family Farms. I am so excited to be here talking to Miss Yvonne Danke. Hi, thank you so much for letting us be here.
Well, thank you for coming.
No problem. We got Miss Rosie in the back. We got reindeers here. Tell me a little bit about what you guys have going on this season.
We have so many things to do here. We have a whole barn lot of fun activities for children of all ages. Now, I'm talking about even those older children,
yes,
like me.
And me too. I'm so happy to be here.
We have snowball arena where you can throw snowballs at your dad, your mom, whoever you want to throw snowballs at. We have tetherball, which who'd have thought it would come back and everyone would love that, you know?
Yeah.
We have giant tic-tac-toe, checkers. We have a play area that has slides, a lookout area, a climbing wall, swings. We have tree toss, the coop maze, just all kinds of really fun things to do.
Yes, and just stepping on the property just like heightened the Christmas spirit.
Yes.
Seeing Miss Rose, you guys have reindeer here. She's not the only one. She's the star today, but she's not the only one. You guys have flight school, these cool sleighs. I mean, how long have you guys been around?
This is our 38th year in business, so
wow.
Yeah.
And like you said, it's for people of all ages, not just the little kids. You guys have, like I said, flight school. Tell me a little bit about that.
Flight school is what we call our little educational program we do. They come into the pavilion. The kids and the folks that come can see her up very close. We teach them about them, what they do, and the things about the reindeer. They graduate reindeer flight school and get fun things at the end. So
yeah, I love that. I want to go to flight school. Right. And there is no better place to get your Christmas tree than right here at Danke Family Farms. I mean, you guys have the reindeer, so the Christmas trees have to be top notch.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about that.
So we have two different kinds of furs. We have Cannon and Fraser fir. We actually have some balsam as well. I guess we have three when I think about it. And then we have two pines, Scotch and white. The Scotch and white we grow ourselves here, so you can go to the field and you can go and cut one down, you know, so that's kind of cool. We also have trees that are live, so they're, you know, bald, and you can plant them in your yard. You can use them in your house and plant them in your yard later. So that's a pretty good investment, you know. We also do byproduct from the trees. So we do wreaths, grave items, swags, all that kind of stuff, floral arrangements. So we have a lot going on.
Yeah, absolutely. I love that. And this whole place, just the atmosphere, it's a great family fun day. You guys have to come down, join Danke Family Farms, get in flight school, and get yourself a Christmas tree. Thank you so much for letting us be here, Yvonne.
Thank you.
Really
Thank you for coming.
Can you tell everyone out there where they can go for more information?
We're on Facebook, and on our Facebook page, you can get the links to the web page.
All right. Guys, stay right there because we got more Good Day Live when we get back.